it's me, Dukang. I think you haven't seen me make any like game videos yet. And today this is the game. My my brother is like he's crazy right now. He's earned a lot of badges. Whoa, new server. Okay, that's it. Oh no. Okay, let's start going to 15th B's area because I can already unlock it. And also, have you seen more like secret beats? Do you know there's more like? Do you know there is some royal jelly secretly somewhere that you don't know? Or secret mazes that you don't know where? Gumdrops. No, not behind gumdrops. Or what if there were one behind gumdrops? Yeah, that would be cool. And also, my brother's farming at bamboo field. Ah, yes. Yes. There's one secret area in here. Yes, there is. Here. There's one secret area right on the 10B slot. Let me just claim this real quick. The club. Okay. Go behind Pro Bear. I think some of you doesn't know this. If you go to this maze and finish it, you definitely win a prize. Yeah, you get that sunflower seeds. I don't even know what's that for. But if you want sunflower seeds, this is the area where to get it. And also, look, sprout. Also, I think there's like one secret area that some people don't know. Oh god. Now where did my brother went? There. I think that's him right there. Oh no. Yeah, that's him. Oh god, there's a spider. Kill. Okay, got the prize. Honey. Nice prizes. Okay, this will take like... No, guys, there's also like there's a ticket in top of Mother Bear. So at the 15B slot, there's one. Anyways, there's one secret area at Werewolf. Hey yo, do not go attack me. Attack someone else on your side. Oh my goodness, Mantis. No, werewolf bad. Werewolves are bad. They always end good stories to bad stories. Cactus, please save me. I think the cactus can make him hurt. Oh wait, he can make him back. So I think this might be... Yes, this is definitely like a cool way to kill the werewolf. Oh yeah, look. This is a cool way to kill the werewolf. So actually, this is how to kill the werewolf easily without even getting hit. Just go behind this cactus. And now you're safe. Werewolf, you'll never catch me. I'm Gru. Even though I do not even look like you. I'm not even thick and bald. Bro, the werewolf is... Oh, dope. This person plant tree sprouts. Nice. Okay, werewolf easily. Mr. Werewolf can't get me, hehe. Actually, this took so long. I haven't unlocked that area. Let's go check tickets area. I mean, badges. Okay, there. I get royal. You get royal jelly if you kill the werewolf boss. Okay. Okay. Look. If you go inside this cave, there might be a gold egg right there. Yes, right there. Right there. I already claimed it. Yeah. Mondo Chick. Is at Mondo Chick is at mountain top. Also, I think there were one secret thing. There's one secret on this present right here. It's still Christmas, bro. It's already like February 3. Go behind there. There's a secret maze here. Go over here, here, and here. And there's a star jelly over there that I can't get. There's free jelly beans there. What the? What's that noises I just heard? Oh god. No, stop looking. Okay. Also guys, there's one world jelly up there. If you haven't got it yet, that means you just must get it. Also, there's one like royal jelly up there. You need to get it. I don't know why, but you need. And also, I already unlocked I already unlocked Blue HQ. Yes. I think I already finished this. Yes. Admire the honey wealth. That's the quest I can do. Okay, honeybees honey hunt. Okay, that's the one that I need. I need a lot of honey though, guys. Defeat 4 ladybugs. Okay, Mr. Laboratory, please. Why do you have a diamond mask on? What happened to your face? You have the same mirror as me. This. There's one royal jelly up there and one royal jelly up there. Right there. Yes. And there's also one royal jelly right there. Yes, right there. And I don't know how you even get up there to the stick bug. How do you even get up there? Okay, the 5 bees area. There's one secret. There's one secret area that you can get a royal jelly. You see that royal jelly hole? Yeah, I think you saw it. Behind. Hey, what's that? What's that? Right there. What's that? That's where you find the king below. Yes. Let's go to the 15 beast heard there's like one star jelly there. Or maybe pumpkin patch. I heard there's like one royal jelly. Winter snow. Maybe I think the fish is like rare. Yes. I think it's kind of rare because look. Just wait. Because it's the top 2 rare. Yes. Dabibi, yeah, top 3. Windy bee is like the rarest of all, I think. Yes. Whoa, what happened to strawberry field? Also, there's one area that you can get some strawberries. I think like inside over here. There's one strawberry right here. No, stop blocking me. Cannot zoom in. Yeah, I think I saw it right there. Yes, right there. Yeah, it's like almost not seen. Windy bee? Oh, someone has a windy bee. I don't know. Hey yo, that's windy bee. I think. Windy bee can control time. Also, there's one secret area. I mean, not that secretive. There's one area that you can get a royal jelly in the 15B slot. If you don't know where is it, then you must watch this video. Yeah. Honeybee. I don't think I have honeybee. I don't know. I don't know if I have honeybee. I don't think I'm allowed here because I don't have honeybee. There. No, not really that. If you look behind this pumpkin, there will be royal jelly right there, down there. And also, there's one area that some people missed. Go up here. I believe there's one royal jelly right there. Yeah, right there. See that spinning? Yeah. Yeah, I saw that spinning boy. So, yeah. Empty food slots. All of my bees are hungry. Looks like I have to finish polar bear. Science bears, bee mass. Dapper bears, okay, that's a lot. Panda bear, snow bear. Okay, I need to collect a 50,000 pollen from bamboo field. So let's start doing this. I think this might take a long time. Okay, I'll just tell you when done. Okay, wait. When done.